Before artificial intelligence, before computers, before electricity, humanity built something far more important, foundations of technology itself. From the first stone tools to the earliest machines, the story of human invention spans over 2 million years. Every single idea, every breakthrough, every tool eventually led to the digital world we live in and the rise of AI. This is the story of how ancient civilizations built the technologies that shaped our future. 2 million years ago, our early human ancestors created the first technology. Simple stone tools. It might not sound like much, but these tools changed everything. They allowed humans to hunt better, prepare food faster, and survive far more. And with tools came planning. And with planning came the spark of intelligence. Later, fire became humanity's first great energy source. Technology older than any civilization. Fire gave us heat, protection, and the ability to cook, unlocking more brain power and enabling our entire species to evolve. Around 10,000 BCE, humans invented farming. This was one of the single greatest breakthroughs in all of history. For the first time, people no longer needed to wander just to find food. Settled villages grew into towns. Towns became sprawling cities, and those cities became the first great civilizations. Agriculture brought a wave of new technologies: the plow, complex irrigation systems, calendars to track the seasons, and early forms of measurement. The world was transforming, and so was the human mind. As civilizations expanded, engineering absolutely exploded. The Egyptians built the Great Pyramids using advanced mathematics, geometry, and massive labor coordination. In Mesopotamia, inventors gave us the wheel, the sailboat, and some of the first writing systems. Oberentina engineers created crossbows, compasses, and incredibly complex mechanical devices. And in the Indus Valley, entire cities were built with advanced drainage and water systems. These innovations didn't just improve life, they became the blueprint for all future machines. Then, around 3400 BCE, something truly revolutionary happened. Writing transformed human knowledge from something fragile and temporary to something permanent. For the first time, words could be stored, preserved, copied, and shared across countless generations. This was the first data storage system in human history. Think about it. Without writing, mathematics would collapse, and without mathematics, computers would never exist. Writing is the ancient ancestor of digital memory. Mathematics began to emerge across multiple civilizations, each adding a crucial piece to the puzzle. The Babylonians invented algebra. The Egyptians used geometry to measure land and build their timeless monuments. The Greeks developed logic and formal proofs, creating a framework for reasoning. India introduced the number zero, a concept that unlocked the full power of modern arithmetic. And China advanced early computation with tools like the abacus. Math became the universal language, the first code that could explain how the world works. Without these incredible breakthroughs, artificial intelligence would not be possible today. Long before robots, ancient engineers created some truly stunning mechanical marvels. Greek inventors built the Antikythera mechanism, a mind-bogglingly complex device used to track the stars and planets. It often called the world's first analog computer. In China, automechanical figures powered by water or girzur built to amaze, and during the Islamic Golden Age, engineers designed early programmable machines driven by the simple flow of water. These inventions proved something extraordinary, that humans could build systems that mimic intelligence and movement. As the centuries passed, the pace of technology began to accelerate. The printing press spread knowledge faster than ever before. The Industrial Revolution replaced human muscle with raw mechanical power. Steam engines, electricity, telegraphs, and early computation machines created a completely new world. By the 1800s, Charles Babbage imagined the analytical engine, a device that could receive instructions and perform complex computations, and it was Ada Lovelace who wrote the first algorithm, foreseeing that these machines might one day create patterns, art, and new ideas. She predicted the age of computers long before they ever existed. Every single invention, from the simplest stone tools to mathematics to the first mechanical machines, built the ladder that led to modern computing. By the 1950s, scientists were finally ready to ask the question humanity had been moving toward for thousands of years. Can we create a machine that thinks? The answer to that question is the story of AI, a story that is still unfolding right now, all around us. From ancient tools to artificial minds, humanity has always pushed forward. This is our journey from ancient to AI. Thank you for watching.